So today I'm going to show you guys how to start a mango seed really easy way. And I've probably done about 8 to 10 seeds this way, and they've all sprouted. So I know this is like a really good method for starting mangoes. So here I have my mango seed. It's been soaking overnight in water. This is a keep mango, and I know that because I looked at the side of the box. It came in, it's from Costco, and it said keep on the side. So I was like, okay, now I know the variety. You don't necessarily have to soak it, but I found that it like speeds up the germination a bit. After I removed it from the outer husk, I gave it a little bath with some hydrogen peroxide and water. So I mixed about a third. So the ratio was like 1/3 hydrogen peroxide and 2/3 water. Give a little bath to try to kill any possible mold that could be growing on it. And here we have some sphagnum moss or orchid moss, and I just bought this off Amazon. And a couple of terracotta pots, and this one still has the sticker on the top. That's important. So what we're going to do is fill this bottom one with moist orchid moss, and then we're going to put this little pit in there, the little seed, and then we're going to put it in a warm spot. So let's do that now. So I gave the moss a really good soak, and I'm going to let it just absorb the water for a few minutes to make sure it's like all evenly moist. And then I'm going to press a lot of the water out so it's just like lightly moist. So now that our moss is nice and moist and I've fluffed it up a bit, we're going to go ahead and put this seed in here. So I'm going to try to make a little hole. Bury it so it's all covered the moss. Put the top on, and then I'm going to leave this in my sunroom in a warm spot, and it'll most likely sprout in like 2 or 3 days. And then once it has like a 1-inch long root, I will transfer it to a pot of soil. This is one of the mango trees I started this way. I don't know what kind of mango it is. I suspect it might be a Tommy Atkins, but I'm not sure. But it's probably about like, I don't know, like 3 weeks since it like came out of the ground. So it's growing pretty good, I think.